Hey Lee, good to see you.
Good to see you, Kevin. How are you?
All right, looks like you got winter on your mind.
Yes, we do. I
All right.
brought some materials to melt the snow.
Gotcha. So
Okay.
what are we looking at here?
We have straight salt.
Okay.
You can get this pretty much anywhere. Any DPW, really inexpensive, works really well.
So you like the fact that you get it in bulk and it's not that expensive.
Correct,
So
yes.
you're using this, what, driveways?
Driveways, as well as parking lots, things like that.
Gotcha. Okay. Moving up from there, what do you got here?
I got some calcium chloride.
Yeah.
Kind of tough on plants and pets.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have seen this put down, and like you can watch it literally burn a hole
Correct.
through the
Yes.
snow and the ice.
Yes.
That's powerful stuff.
Very powerful stuff. Very
So,
powerful.
but tough on the plants,
Yes.
tough on the pets.
Correct.
How does this do with pets?
They don't like it, but it's salt. They get salt in their own diet, so there you go. You know,
Gotcha. And the third one you got for us?
I got magnesium chloride.
Magnesium chloride.
Which is much better for the environment and much better for the pets.
Okay, so this is the stuff that if you do have pets that are sensitive or
Yes.
shrubs nearby, and what surface are you putting this down on?
I would do my walkways as well as my driveways, any surface you need to.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Do you use just one, or do you sort of mix and match?
I mix and match. I'll use the salt mostly, and then we'll use this over here. The
Depending on
magnesium.
surface and clients and all that.
Correct.
And spraying? What are you using with the spray bottle?
I have a spray here. It's non-stick.
Oh, look at that.
So what I like to do is we like to spray the machines as well as the outside, as well as the inside. You know, augers and all that thing. Spray that.
So that heavy, wet snow that tends to build up,
Correct.
this is going to help you prevent that.
Yes,
It's going to slide right off or fly right off.
Exactly.
Beautiful. And is this the kind of thing that you would spray on a shovel as well?
Yes, I will. I have some shovels over here.
What'd you bring us?
I brought a smaller shovel, which is for speed.
Is this your go-to?
Yes, go-to shovel right there. We spray that as well.
So plastic scoop.
Yes.
This is for moving, lifting, tossing,
Correct.
the whole deal.
Yes.
Gotcha. And you guys, you guys use it a lot.
We use it a lot.
The go-to one. All right. Gotcha.
All right.
What else did you bring us?
And then I brought a bigger one. This
When
is
are you
great
using
for.
that?
This one's great for like pushing the driveway. You know, taking your time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Just getting it done. No heavy lifting. You're not going to do the stairs with this. You're going to do maybe a flat surface driveway, things like that.
Pushing it as opposed to sort of lifting and throwing.
Correct. Correct.
Gotcha. Okay. So shovels out of the way. You brought us a snow blower.
Yes, I did.
What do you got? What do you have there?
This one here has paddles. Smaller machines, a paddle ones here. Here are the paddles.
This is a paddle right
Yep.
here. I've not worked with one of these. So this,
Okay.
can I get underneath here?
Sure can.
So this is going to spin. That paddle is
Correct.
going to move the snow up and out through here.
Yep.
So this is the leading edge that's going to scrape sidewalk.
Correct.
Nice
Yes.
clean finish.
Nice clean finish on it. Gets right down to the pavement, whatever you need.
I've got the auger type, the big
Yes.
metal one.
Yes,
This
very
is a little
popular
different.
machine too. But this one here is a paddle. This dot here on here tells us, Kevin, that it's worn out, so it's time to change the paddle.
So this is the leading edge that hits
Yes.
the ground, and you're saying
Correct.
it's going to wear this way.
Yes.
It gets to there, you're done.
Yes, exactly.
Who changes that?
I would go to a small engine repair shop. They'll be glad to do it for you.
Sure,
you
they
know?
would. Absolutely. Okay.
All right.
So in terms of maintenance, this is gas powered, right?
Yes, it is. Gas powered, so it has a spark plug. Want to check the oil.
Yep.
Okay.
Where's the oil?
Oil's back here.
What are you
Nice
looking
gold
for?
color. I want a nice gold color.
So you want to clean?
Yes, nice and clean. This is nice and clean, so I wouldn't bother with this.
Okay.
Okay.
And spark plug. We got a hatch up here.
There's a spark plug in here.
You got it disconnected, which is when
Yep.
I can put my hands down
Sure.
there. What are you thinking about in terms of spark plugs?
Okay. This one here has a little bit of a carbon buildup, so I would probably replace this.
The carbon being this
Yes.
black discoloration
Correct.
up there.
Yes,
I
around
need
the
to-
spark plug
yeah.
itself.
Generally speaking, you get how long
You
after?
probably get about a season out of a spark plug.
Gotcha.
Okay, maybe 2 seasons out of changing the oil, but a season at least out of the spark plug.
Not bad. Pretty easy to actually
Yes.
maintain.
Yep.
Nice to have them working when the snow comes.
Correct, exactly.
So moving snow and salt, all different variations. Looks like you're ready to go.
Ready to go?
All right.
All right.
Thank you. I'll see you early. Get the
No
first
problem.
driveway done.
Always.
Good man.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.